Rambu Solo, a traditional funeral ceremony, which aims to respect the spirits as they return to immortality among the ancestors. For Toraja people, death is a process of humans transitioning from life on Earth to spirits in the supernatural realm. Buffaloes are highly revered as a sacrificial entity, playing an irreplaceable role in Torajan traditions. The more a Torajan individual is respected, the more buffaloes it would take to sacrifice when they depart. The splendor and perfection of Rambu Solo can determine the fate of spirits in the afterlife. Rambu Solo is central to the implementation of Faliacor custom because this ritual legitimizes one's death and well-being in the afterlife.